The ACLU and Planned Parenthood held a press conference this morning vowing to fight the proposals. Senate Bill 9 and House Bill 100 would ban abortions once a fetal heartbeat is detected. Another bill, Senate Bill 50, would create a database to track drugs that are administered to induce abortion. Pro-choice activists say they are watching the legislation closely and have a rally scheduled for February 7th.
This is absolutely part of a national strategy, like I said, to make sure that abortion is completely inaccessible regardless of what point of pregnancy you're at, regardless of your circumstances.
Pro-life lawmakers and activists have their own press conference scheduled for 12:30 today in the Rotunda. We'll have more from both sides at 5 and 6 o'clock. In Frankfort, Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.